I don't know how this happened, but I didn't tell them I was on YouTube, and they came out and stopped me before I left. This glass came out of the B is for Build Huracan, which they have sitting right over here. I want to just come hang out here for a couple days. Is that cool? Can I just like pull up a chair? Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sean. This is Dreamcars Daily, and I'm in Illinois or Missouri or somewhere. The Lamborghini needs a new engine cover. They are $8,000, $10,000 new. I found one for 1,200 bucks. However, it's glass, and I don't trust anybody to ship it. It'd probably be fine, but if it breaks, I think they'll only give me my $1,200 back, not the $10,000 that it would cost to get a new one. And I'm not gonna find another one for this price, so I made the 6-hour drive. I feel better about it. I know how to transport glass, so we're gonna pick this up and then we're gonna head back and install it. Well, there it is. That is roughly $10,000 worth of glass. I like 1,200 way better. We're gonna load that up in the Tahoe safely because I trust me more than FedEx. You guys, there's no way, I don't know how this happened, but I didn't tell them I was on YouTube, and they came out and stopped me before I left. This glass came out of the B is for Build Huracan, which they have sitting right over here. Chris is gonna be here later today. Unfortunately, I can't wait around. Otherwise, I'd love to say hi, but small world, man.
I get down, that's what's left of the donor car.
Oh
right
my goodness.
18-year-old kid drunk in Miami wrecked that.
Wow.
Walked away.
Well, dude, I mean, these things are amazing.
They are.
The build quality on these is just freaking phenomenal. There's Chris's donor car for a lot of what they were doing. And what's he coming here for?
He's actually getting an engine from us. He's gonna be running, he's running the Mcfarland in his car there. So we're building an engine for him. We got a machine shop down the road, so he's coming to check that out.
Oh man.
Out to him this week.
Oh, that sucks that I
should have let you know. I didn't know you were.
Well, I mean, you guys had no idea I was on YouTube.
Idea.
I just bought this on eBay.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we've got a small channel, much smaller than B is for Build.
Hey, you gotta start somewhere.
We're at about 60-something thousand right now.
Cool.
And this is the second Lamborghini on the channel. We just introduced it, but I bought it with the broken engine cover.
Okay.
A new engine cover from Lamborghini is about 10 grand.
Oh, I know.
And you guys hooked me up with this for 1,200 bucks.
Yeah.
So I'm a happy guy right now.
Yeah, we definitely love to work with you in the future as well.
Absolutely. I mean, you're 5 hours from me.
Okay.
So yeah, I mean, I'll definitely keep you guys in mind because
absolutely. We got.
I don't do a lot of rebuild stuff. That's not really my thing. But I love the exotics, and I love to go out and drive like. We
all do.
I tell people I'm a professional idiot. Whoa, that's a little precarious. Wow. All right, guys, so what else do we need for my car? Holy crap. Dude, there is like, that is a straight up shell, dude. There is not,
yeah,
you've gotten pretty much everything.
The engine went to Trevor and Ocean Auto. Actually, Daily Driven Exotics have the transmission out of this car.
Oh, this is the DDE, so this was the 580-2 then?
Yep, that was it. 2-wheel drive. Yeah, when we got this, the kid's shoes were still under the brake pedal.
Wow.
Yeah, he was having a good time down in Miami.
Well, guys, I'm getting the last of the parts off of this thing. DDE already scavenged it, B is for Build scavenged it, and now Dreamcars Daily. I don't think there's much left. Oh, you got a vent window. You still got a good vent window. And there's a couple of control arms. That upper's broken. That lower might be good. That lower might be good. Hey, those hubs are about 500 bucks a piece used.
I know it.
Wow, dude, this thing is, it is rough, but I mean, it's pretty sick to see it like this. And it is, dude, I seriously, this is awesome that we ended up with parts that like half of the other YouTubers are.
A lot of rich YouTube history on this one here.
Yeah, dude.
Like Houston from Royalty Exotics has the calipers off this.
Dude, oh, man, the VIN is gone. Otherwise, I'd check that out. That is crazy. So that's at least three other YouTubers have scavenged this car.
Yep. Yep, motor training. Those guys are all, it's out there. Yeah, the Deleeuw Design guys, they've been using that.
Is that a 430?
It's a 360 challenge.
360
Actually,
challenge.
I bought that. Tavarish was going to buy that, and he gave up the project, and we actually went and picked that up down in Indy. 360 challenge car that was wrecked on the track. Bunch of other parts on that. So that's some of the only stuff in the world off a challenge car. That's also on eBay.
Nice. Wow, I mean, I hit the jackpot here. I'm sure we'll be back because
That's what we're here for, man.
I'm constantly buying exotics.
Good deal. We're constantly parting them out so that can work out well.
We're thinking we're thinking an Aventador needs to be next.
Woo. All right.
You guys, you can't take me anywhere. I literally walked in the door and I saw this. I'm like, dude, an SVX. I want to just come hang out here for a couple days. Is that cool? Can I just like pull up a chair? Dude, I mean, all right, I know it's in pieces, but like I actually really want one of these. I dig the SVXs. They were a like weird, quirky car. And then look at this Miata. What, we got an SS? Yeah, where's the extra bedroom? I'm just hanging out for a couple days.
We got a wrecked camper out back.
Just make sure the propane tanks are good and I'm good for a couple days. This is crazy. This is like the organ donor car of YouTube. The car died so that all these YouTubers can live. B is for Build, Royalty Exotics, DDE, now me. I don't even know what to say. That's so cool. I'm gonna call it the organ donor car of YouTube. Nice, that is sick. The guy driving looks like he's 13. Hey guys, we're back in Kalamazoo. We got the engine glass here. I've got the whole cover at the shop, but Travis lost his nuts. I need 4 nuts to bolt the engine cover back on after the glass is in it, and they're gone. So, hardware store. We need 4 Lamborghini engine cover. Now, I'm sure if we just look, it'll say like Lamborghini engine cover on one of these, right? Luckily, I know a glass guy who can put that piece of glass in. We're gonna get the Lambo pulled in, install the glass into the cover, the engine cover panel, put the panel on, and then there's also a carbon fiber piece that is mysteriously missing, but we have a replacement right here. Presumably in one piece. It's carbon fiber, it should be in one piece. I'm definitely not a professional unboxing video guy because...
Look at the packaging. It's done so well. You can tell it's really high quality stuff. The way they bubble wrap this, man.
That is top quality bubble wrap right there. That's Lamborghini quality bubble wrap.
Still one piece. Slicey slice.
They really did not want this to break, even though it's carbon and shouldn't break. That's quite possibly the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen.
Gorgeous forged carbon fiber.
That looks way better. I'd like to formally thank Chris, Damon, and Houston for not taking this one part that I needed. They got everything they needed. I just needed this. I don't know, this might have been safe coming through FedEx. They had enough bubble wrap on it. No, it still wouldn't have been safe.
Don't you got trust issues?
With FedEx? Yes. I swear those guys like drop kick their packages onto your porch. You guys have seen me put windows in cars before. The process is really no different. It's still a piece of glass. It's still going into a car. We're gonna trim all of the remaining glass out. Get the glue trimmed up. Do the same thing here. Trim some of the glue off and glue it in. Pretty simple.
And then I get my license for installing glass at the end of this, right?
Right. Absolutely. There's
years of experience.
Auto Glass Installers Society. I'll write them and you'll get your certification papers. Well, no.
No? But I trained so hard.
Don't try this at home.
No, try it on the side of a road like you did just a few days ago.
I mean, that works.
Stage 1 done. More cleaning. Already looks like a brand new surface.
Oh, we just leave it like that. That looks good. Guaranteed never.
It's the new open design option.
Guaranteed never to break again.
It's true. That is oddly satisfying to watch.
This is one of those he may have done this before situations. It's really interesting the way Lamborghini did this. They didn't glue it all the way around. It's glued here, but this is all empty. And then this is your seal. There's actually a rubber seal. Our $4 worth of Lamborghini approved nuts. Go ahead and lift it.
Oh, you put it up all the way. That side's about in. One in.
All right. Tell you what, I'll just do
I
this.
already got mine on. I've got mine on. We're good. You can do your side.
It'll be easier, like if you go over and do one.
Oh, you want me to do that, sir?
Yeah.
Yep, right there. That's how I feel. Cool.
I have our Lamborghini approved prop rod as well. That should, oh, let's see, where can you,
You sure you don't want to flip this?
perfect.
Okay. Just round it in,
It's perfect.
Not rounded.
It's perfect.
Uh-huh.
This is the way Lamborghini said to do it.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
You have to
I'm humbled.
You have to follow the Lamborghini instruction manual.
Lamborghini Dios.
It's possible I got it wrong. I don't read Italian.
Can we take the
Yeah.
Lamborghini approved hood prop down?
Perfect. Look at those panel gaps. We are professionals. It won't close, but we're professionals. The way these struts are made, they have a C-clip right there.
Okay.
So when you push them on, the C-clip separates. You just snap it on.
The bottom one's super easy though.
And snap it on, and you're good. There's movement after you set it, so.
Maybe it here that way. Yep. Pretty good. You wanna go forward or backward at all?
Nope, it's beautiful right where it's at. All right, guys. 12 hours of driving and about 20 minutes of actual work is what it takes to replace a Lamborghini engine cover glass. I'm still glad I went and picked it up because, like I said, I'm pretty sure I said earlier in the video, $10,000, something like that from Lamborghini. I think it was 10 from Lamborghini, 8,000 used, other than the one that I found here for 1,200 bucks. And I don't think FedEx would have bought me a brand new one if they would have broke this. So I'm still good with my decision. Anyway, she's done. I'm gonna get it out, go have fun with it, because that's the whole point of getting a Lamborghini, is to go have fun with it. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and like right there, we're somewhere down there. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.